Why do you do this? When in a moment, couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me. Eternal optimist, I make the best of it. Couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me. Why do you do this? When in a moment, couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me. Eternal optimist, I make the best of it. Couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me. Why do you do this? When in a moment, couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me. Eternal optimist, I make the best of it. Couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me.
Play me a sad song. I wanna move, I wanna drink it by the bottle. It's complicated, but mixing feelings with tequila gets me wasted. I get that message when you ignore. Blue tick on my text and miss my calls. You take shots at me, so I take more. When I hit the floor, I'm dancing without you, out you, out you. Dancing without you, out you, out you. Tell strangers about you, about you, about you. You're not here to take me on, so I'll party on my own. I'm dancing without you, out you, out you. Dancing without you, out you, out you. Won't leave anytime soon, time soon, time soon. You're not here to take me on, so I'll party on my own. without you, out you, out you. Tell strangers about you, about you, about you. You're not here to take me home, so I'll party on my own. I'm dancing without you, out you, out you. Dancing without you, out you, out you. Won't leave anytime soon, time soon, time soon. You're not here to take me home, so I'll party on my own, so I'll party on my own. Dancing without you, out you, out you. You're not here to take me home, so I'll party on my own, so I'll party on my own.
Always ends the same when it was me and you. Every time I need somebody new, it's like deja vu. I swear they sound the same. It's like they're on my skin. Every word they say sounds just like him, and it goes like this. We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lay on the backseat. And then one night, the night when everything changes, you won't reply and we'll go back to strangers. It's something that I hate, how everyone's disposable. Every time I date somebody new, I feel vulnerable, that it'll never change, and it will just stay like this. Never ending dating, breaking up, and it goes like this. We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lay on the backseat. And then one night, the night when everything changes, you won't reply and we'll go back to strangers. It always ends the same when it was me and you. But every time I meet somebody new, it's like deja vu. And when we spoke for months, what did you ever mean it? How can they say that this is love